This video demonstrates the proper application of Terracoat Excel. For this application, you will need a scraper, roller, steel trowel, plastic trowel, and airless spray. First, apply 1 coat of Terraco P primer or text primer and let it dry. Then apply 1 coat of Terracoat Excel using the steel trowel and remove any excess material. 3 different patterns can be created using Terracoat Excel: vertical, crosshatch and random. For the vertical pattern, move the plastic trowel up and down in a vertical motion. For crosshatch, move the plastic trowel vertically and horizontally. For the random pattern, move the plastic trowel in a circular motion across the wall. Terracoat Excel is available in a wide range of colours to choose from. You have now created the perfect finish with Terracoat Excel from Terraco.